Slip into power, the heels that make heads turn and hearts race kiss mark fire. There's a moment, that magical, electric moment when you slip your foot into the perfect pair of heels. Not just any heels. Heels that change your posture, your pace, your entire energy. These are those heels. The kind that transform your walk into a strut. The kind that doesn't whisper for attention, it demands it.
Music licensing
One step,
reimagined.
and the energy shifts. The lights feel brighter. The room feels hotter. And every pair of eyes finds you. Not because you tried, but because you were born to own that space. These sexy high heels aren't just accessories, they're a declaration. A rebellion. A celebration of bold femininity and fierce self-expression. Designed with a razor-sharp toe and a sculpted stiletto that lifts you sky high, these heels elevate more than just your height, they elevate your confidence. With every click on the pavement, they echo your power. With every curve of the silhouette, they trace your elegance. With every shimmer under the light, they showcase your unapologetic beauty. There's something dangerously addictive about slipping into something this powerful. The way your legs look longer. The way your hips sway with rhythm. The way your reflection makes you do a double take. These heels don't just complete your outfit, they become the centerpiece of your presence. Whether it's a first date, a gala, a night with the girls, or a private moment in front of the mirror, these stilettos tell a story. You are not afraid to be seen. You were made to be remembered. And yet, for all their boldness, there's a kind of quiet intimacy in wearing them. You'll feel it in the way they mold to your feet, the way they hold your arch just right, the way they remind you every step that you are not just beautiful. You are powerful. You are magnetic. You are unforgettable. These heels are a flirtation and a force, wrapped in leather and confidence, made for the modern goddess who doesn't wait for permission to shine. Let others wear shoes. You wear attitude. You wear dominance. You wear a spark that makes rooms stand still. You were never meant to fade into the background. You were meant to walk through the door and change the temperature of the room. And these heels are how you do it. So go ahead. Slip into power. Set the tone. Break the rules. Turn the night into your runway.
Music licensing
Walk
reimagined.
like every step is a headline. Because once these heels are on, there's no such thing as ordinary.